Hello everyone, I have made it here at the middle of the city and I have booked a free tour which I found online, and the starting point is here at the Plaza Luís de Camões. Standing here in Praça Luís de Camões, you're right in the heart of Lisbon's cultural life. This lively square connects the historic neighborhoods of Chiado and Bairro Alto and is one of the city's favorite meeting spots. At the center stands the statue of Luís de Camões, Portugal's most celebrated poet. The first 15 to 20 minutes of the tour was spent telling us the history of the country and a few notable people of Portugal. And now we have started our walk. We're going to be visiting 4 neighborhoods here in Lisbon. This is the Calçada Portuguese, and it's sleepy even when it's sunny.
Because, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at the oldest operating bookshop in the world.
Tucked along Rua Garret in Lisbon's Chiado district is Livraria Bertrand, officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the oldest bookstore still operating in the world. It first opened in 1732 and has been selling books for nearly 3 centuries. We're going up to a viewpoint to enjoy a nice view of Lisbon. We are now enjoying a nice viewpoint here in Lisbon, and this is kind of like a public area where you can look out to the waters. There's a lot of neighborhoods. There is also an optional €5 viewpoint when you go up the stairs, spiral staircase. I think even here the views are amazing. You just have to be creative when taking photos because of the fence. Okay, we were given 5 German minutes to enjoy the view from here, and those 5 German minutes are up, and so now I'm going back to the place where the tour guide is. We just entered the train station and we're headed downtown, which is the Baixa neighborhood. Earlier in this tour, we were up there at the viewpoint. This is one of the ways to go up, but you have to pay €6.
Here it's down. No, I'm joking. No, guys, pastel de nata, let me tell you.
My very first pastel de nata from this place called Natelier.
For a beef, inside. They have even restrooms. They have it on the second floor. Okay.
Very good.
5 minutes and then we can. Now enjoy yourself. Yes.
Delicioso. We are back on the main street here in this district, and there's a lot of people on this summer day. And it's just very interesting to walk along this street. You can people watch. You can also eat. You can also shop. And I'm enjoying my first day here in Lisbon. In 1755, Lisbon was devastated by an earthquake. The powerful quake struck on All Saints' Day, destroying much of the city. A tsunami and massive fires followed, leaving Lisbon in ruins. But the disaster led to the city's remarkable rebuilding. This is a huge square next to the water. Welcome to Praça do Comércio, one of Lisbon's most iconic squares. Once the site of the royal palace before the 755 Lisbon earthquake, it was rebuilt as the grand gateway to the city. Facing the Tagus River, the square is surrounded by elegant yellow arcades and anchored by the statue of Joseph I of Portugal, the king during Lisbon's reconstruction. I really love this square. It's so massive, and there's just so much stories and history on this square, and it looks out to the river. Oh, look at the facade of this building. It looks like a church. There's a cross on top. Look at all of the detail. We are entering one of the narrowest paths in Europe. Not much space. Maybe a meter wide. Okay, 2 people can fit in. We are at the 4th and last neighborhood for this trip, which is Alfama.
Saúde.
Saúde.
Is this a smile? No. Now try to say ginginha.
Ginginha. Cherry liqueur. Ginginha.
Saúde.
Saúde.
Together. Go for it. Don't be shy.
That's good. Well, very strong alcohol. Very strong.
You think so? That was light.
Wow.
I forgot it was chocolate.
After walking a lot of stairs, we are now at a viewpoint which looks out to the water, and it's an amazing view. The free walking tour ends here at Miradouro das Portas do Sol, where you get one of the most amazing views over Alfama and the Tagus River. After soaking in the scenery, I went searching through the narrow streets for a cozy restaurant to enjoy a live performance of Fado, the soulful sound of Lisbon.